Hey everybody, Magic Matt here from Blinky.com, and I'm stuck at home because of what's going on in the world. Everybody knows what's going on. I don't need to keep telling you, drilling it into your head. We all know what's going on. There's a bug out there and it's causing some problems for a lot of people. A lot of people getting sick, so we're forced to stay at home. But even if we're forced to stay at home, we can still have fun at home, and I'm having fun with my yo-yo. This is my K1 by Magic Yo-Yo, but I'll tell you, this whole thing has really thrown me for a loop. I mean, it's making me pretty loopy. Anyway, I'm gonna do some loop tricks for you. I'm gonna do inside loops and outside loops for you. Here's a couple loops on my K1 Magic Yo-Yo. There's an inside loop, and there's an outside loop. And now I'll try to string a few together. Hey, that was a pun. Oh, 3 inside loops. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. 3. That's respectable. See if I can do a few outside loops in a row. It's 2. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Everybody, that's inside loops, outside loops, because this whole darn situation has got me loopy, throwing me for a loop. And thanks for watching. I'll see you soon, Magic Matt, Blinky.com. See you next time. You smell great.